Hello, sir. And nearly 2 days of work, I just made this the basic functions works, and of course, I still don't know much about your backend WCF services. So I did some simulation about the WCF service and about the interface. I'm not sure about it, and your developer can customize it. Okay. Okay, so basically this is our first page, the name, email, and location, city, and event type, date, and the location and the city are get from the database using Ajax. And for the database, I created two tables according to your specification in my local site. There are two tables for the location. For the cities and the locations. Okay, so this is from the server side, and this time when I type in the fields, and for the event date, I haven't done it as date from control, but I can do it later. But right now we just can type the date. Okay, after submit, we will go to the next page, and for this one we will post the XML data to the WCF service and the first service, and you can see that this is our. I did two WCF services. One is the price quote services, similar to the XML you sent me, but I don't know the logic behind the logic. So I just give you some static for output. For example, for this one, that get data. Okay, and then we submitted, and it will go to the next second page. It will show you the services available or not available. For not available, the checkbox we cannot do it, and we can only check the true available. Okay, so we can, for example, book it, and book now. And the book now will go to the third page, and it also will send the book services to another services. I just assume another service is named service book, and it will receive the request, and also similar to the first services, I still also don't know the logic, so I just give you the basic static response as the example you give me. Okay, so when we click the book now, it will go to the third page, and it will get the just confirmation. Okay, so basically most of the majority of the work on my side already done. Just need to confirm with your developer about the WCF interface, and the request interface, and the response data structure, and just later I can do more about the layout and the theme to make it look more beautiful. Okay, and then you can check the WCF. There are two services, because I don't know anything about your WCF, you know, so I did it just assumption. I think maybe it's similar, the interface is similar, but I'm not sure. Okay, so go to our PHP code, and this is for the first page, and this is the page we use Ajax to do the web service to get the work, to get the location, get the city. Okay, so what you need to do now is, for example, when you create your own database in the for your get location and city, you should change this URL because this is localhost on my local. You should change it to your server side about this service, the get service location. Okay, and in the get location, get city, we can we have a config file. In the config file, we should configure the server. In my site, it is localhost and the username, password, and database. It is a test in my site. I just created. This is a test, and also the two WCF service URL. The first one is price quote. This is my localhost also, and this is a book service. That is the second service we use. Okay, so your developer should configure all of these parameters, and also in the first page about the Ajax URL to get the location and the city. And after that, what you need to do is in the second page and the third page. In the second page, we get the WCF service, and we call it, for example, the first the get price service, or the function name is get data. In the WCF is get data, and the parameter name is XML. So we configure it, the key is XML, and the function name is get data, and the result is get data result. And while in the third page, we can check the third page. In the third page, I just in the WCF, the function is book, and the parameter is books. So I said the parameter is books, and call the function is book, and the result is book result. So if your real WCF service have the different function names and the parameter names, you also need to change this code. Okay, so that is just some more issues. Okay, thank you. I think the most of the what I can do is already done. You can make your developer to integrate it, and if he or she have any questions, let me know, and I will help to fix it. Okay, thank you.